Hey guys, Alex here. Today, let's talk about a sound every driver dreads: engine knock. That metallic pinging or rattling under the bonnet isn't just annoying, it's your engine's distress call. Ignoring it can lead to catastrophic engine failure and a repair bill that could exceed your car's value. Engine knock is like a fire inside your cylinders. If you don't address it, the damage spreads fast. The violent forces can crack pistons, bend rods, and destroy bearings. What starts as a small issue can quickly become a financial nightmare. The good news? Many causes of engine knock are easy to diagnose and fix yourself. We'll walk through how to identify the sound, find the root cause, and fix it. Don't be intimidated. Think of this as your car's way of asking for help. Before you drive another mile with that noise, stop and let's figure it out together. We'll cover everything from fuel to spark plugs. By the end, you'll know what's happening inside your engine and how to stop the knock. The first step is acknowledging the problem, so you're already on the right track. Grab your tools and let's save your engine. Now, let's hunt down what causes engine knock. First, check your fuel's octane rating. Using lower octane fuel than your engine needs is a top culprit. Carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber is another common cause, raising compression and creating hot spots. Spark plugs matter too. Wrong type or worn plugs can overheat and trigger knock. Old or fouled plugs disrupt combustion and create hot spots. Don't forget engine oil. Low or dirty oil can't cool or lubricate properly, raising internal temperatures. Overheating from a bad thermostat, clogged radiator, or faulty water pump also increases knock risk. Each of these issues can trigger uncontrolled combustion. Pinpointing the cause is the first step to a lasting fix. Let's move on to diagnosing these problems. You can tackle most of them yourself. Time to play detective and find the source of your engine knock. Start with fuel. Did the knock begin after using a different petrol station or lower octane fuel? Check your owner's manual for the required octane. Next, inspect your spark plugs. Remove one when the engine is cool. Check for the correct part number and look for deposits or cracks. Fouled or wrong plugs are a red flag. Now, check your oil. With the engine cool, pull the dipstick, wipe it, reinsert, and check the level and color. Low or dirty oil means poor cooling and lubrication. Examine your cooling system. When the engine is cold, check coolant level and color. Bright is good, rusty or dirty is bad. Watch your temperature gauge. If it climbs higher than normal, especially in traffic, you may have an overheating issue. These simple checks can reveal most common causes of knock. Take notes as you go. Details matter. If you spot a problem, you're halfway to the solution. Most of these checks require only basic tools. Don't rush. Careful inspection saves time and money. If everything checks out but the knock persists, keep watching for other symptoms. Let's move on to fixing what you find. You've got this. Found the culprit? Here's how to fix it. If you use the wrong fuel, switch to the correct octane and consider an octane booster for a quick fix. For carbon buildup, use a top engine cleaner or a fuel additive to break down deposits. No need to dismantle the engine. Replace old or incorrect spark plugs with the right type, properly gapped. Use anti-seize on threads and torque them to spec. Low or dirty oil. Do a full oil and filter change with the correct grade. High-quality synthetic oil offers better protection. Regular oil changes prevent future problems. These fixes are simple, affordable, and can be done at home. Preventative maintenance is key. Don't wait for problems to get worse. Address issues early to avoid costly repairs. Your engine will thank you with smooth, quiet running. Let's tackle overheating next. Overheating is a major cause of engine knock. Let's fix it. First, check coolant level. Low coolant often means a leak. Inspect hoses, radiator, and water pump for drips or residue. If coolant is fine but you're still overheating, suspect the thermostat. It may be stuck closed. Replacing a thermostat is usually simple and inexpensive. A clogged radiator can also cause overheating. Look for sediment inside or debris on the fins. Gently wash the radiator's exterior to clear blockages. If the inside is clogged, perform a cooling system flush with a cleaning solution. Check that cooling fans turn on when hot. If not, it could be a bad fan motor or sensor. Listen for water pump noises. Whining or leaks mean it's failing. A bad water pump stops coolant flow and causes rapid overheating. Fixing these issues prevents knock and protects your engine. Stay on top of cooling system maintenance. Don't let overheating destroy your engine. So, what exactly is engine knock? Let's break it down and see why it's such a big deal for your car. In a healthy engine, the spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture at the perfect moment, creating a smooth, controlled explosion that pushes the piston down and keeps everything running efficiently. Engine knock, also called detonation or pinging, happens when that process goes wrong. Uncontrolled explosions occur in the cylinder, causing violent shock waves. You might hear a metallic ping, rattle, or knocking sound. These are the shock waves hammering your engine's internals. Knock puts immense stress on pistons, rods, and bearings, and creates hot spots that can melt engine parts. Over time, this can lead to cracked pistons, damaged cylinder walls, or even total engine failure. It's not just noise, it's a destructive force inside your engine that can cause thousands of dollars in damage if ignored. Engine knock usually happens when the air-fuel mixture ignites too early or in multiple places at once, creating several flame fronts that collide and generate those damaging shock waves. Our goal is to restore that smooth, single flame front explosion for maximum power and reliability. Is it the wrong fuel, overheating, carbon buildup, or something else? Let's find out what causes knock and how to fix it. Every fix aims to bring back that controlled burn and stop the damage before it's too late. Tried all the fixes and still hear knocking? Time to call a pro. Persistent knock after DIY repairs often means serious internal damage, like rod knock or bearing failure. These issues require specialized tools and expertise. A mechanic can pinpoint the problem with tests and experience. Don't risk further damage by guessing. Get a professional diagnosis. There's no shame in knowing your limits. Book an appointment with a trusted mechanic if the knock won't go away. They'll tell you if your engine can be saved or needs major work. Ignoring a deep knock can turn your car into scrap. You've done your part, now let the experts handle the rest.